Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today I am going to show you easy and little bit hard experiment to do at home. An experiment is atmospheric pressure. So let's start the experiment. So let's go. I am standing near the basin because if I will fail, we do not have to clean anything. So for that we only require transparent glass, cardboard, a piece of cardboard and water. First of all, you need to take the glass and fill it with tap water. You need to ensure that the glass should be full of water. Now you need to take the piece of cardboard and press it super hard. Hit the pressure of the hand and turn it. Because of the atmosphere pressure, it sticks only. So you can see. Now I am going to take out the cardboard slowly. The water will remove away. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and tell your neighbors to subscribe my channel if they are interested in the science experiment. Then watch my video. And that's for it today. Bye.